In this short tutorial, you will learn how to check who read your message in WhatsApp group. It's important to know if the members of your group have seen your messages. This feature can help you understand if everyone is on the same page or if someone missed important information. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application. Once you're inside the app, tap on Chats at the bottom of your screen. This will take you to all your conversations. Next, locate and select the group chat where you've sent the message you want to check. It could be a family group, work project chat, or any other group you've created or joined. After entering the group chat, scroll through until you find the specific message you're interested in checking. This could be anything from a text message to photos or videos shared within the chat. Now here comes the crucial part. Tap and hold on that particular message until a menu appears on your screen. This will give you several options related to that message. From this menu, tap on Info. You'll now see two sections. One showing who has read your message and another showing who received it but hasn't yet opened it. The list of names under Read By indicates those who have seen your message after opening it. If someone's name appears under Delivered To, it means they received the message but haven't viewed it yet. And there you have it. Now you know how to check who read your messages in WhatsApp groups effectively. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.